Hello everybody, it's me, Bo Shevasu. This video is for the 5 people out there who are pulling out their beard, trying to get a 3/8 inch compression, this guy right here, onto a 3/8 inch, this is a British style, so this is from IKEA. IKEA actually gave us the wrong faucet, and the whole thing is installed up there. And so instead of ripping it all out, I thought, hey, I'll just get a little adapter and fit it in here. Well, believe it or not, it's incredibly difficult to find one of those adapters until I got one right here. Now this little magical thing is going to allow me to connect the 3/8 inch compression to the 3/8 inch, the British style. And I'm gonna put the link to this little guy in the description below to save you a whole bunch of time. Spoiler alert, this is actually designed by an espresso place because espresso machines, of course, a lot of them come from Europe, and you're trying to connect it to an American type water source like this. And if you have on this end, the 3/8 inch, from your espresso machine, trying to connect it to this, it's not going to work, even though they both claim to be 3/8. By the way, this is not 3/8 inch NPT. No. It's in the description below. So you need this little guy right here. Now you may be like, okay, but wait a second. This is a male to male. That's right. So you'll also need this little guy. And this is a 3/8 inch compression to a 3/8 inch compression, and you can get this from Home Depot. It even comes with the little rubber seals, one on that side and one on that side. And so that is going to essentially fit onto here. Again, I will put this in the description below. And then once that's on all the way, I'm then going to put this little guy on like so. And then the big fat end is going to fit right onto here like that. So for the 5 people out there trying to find the solution and probably went over to Reddit, and the very unhelpful people said, well, just hire a plumber. Well, guess what? I am the plumber, and I'm trying to find a solution. And this little magical thing right here is the solution and is the setup. You're welcome.